This video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem Netflix gift code or promo code. So if you have a promo code or a gift code you'd like to redeem, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Netflix account. And once you're logged into your account, head over on your profile here and choose account. So if you click on account, you will be redirected to various account settings and options. Among them is membership. Go ahead and tap on membership. Now under membership, if you go under payment info, you should be able to see this option, redeem gift or promo code. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will give you an option to redeem your gift code or your promo code for Netflix. Now here you're told enter your code below to get started. So go ahead and paste your code here. And once it is entered, now go ahead and click on redeem and your code will automatically be redeemed. For my case, I don't have a promo code now and therefore I will not redeem anything. So that's the process to redeem a promo code or a gift code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.